Hey everyone, it's Jordan Briones, founder of the Briones Pickleball Academy. I've been using the vibeboard S1, and let me tell you, this thing has completely changed the way I teach and analyze the game. Whether I'm coaching players at my in-person VIP intensives, working with clients one-on-one, or even creating content for my YouTube channel, this smart whiteboard has become an absolute game changer. So today, I'm going to break down exactly how I use it, why it's been so effective, and whether it's something that can help you in your own training. So for those of you who haven't heard of it, the vibeboard S1 is a smart whiteboard that lets you write, draw, screen share, and even collaborate in real time. Think of it like a giant tablet that you can use for visualizing plays, mapping out drills, or even breaking down video footage. And the best part, it's interactive. So instead of just explaining concepts verbally, I can visually demonstrate things like shot placement, court positioning, and tactical adjustments. Let me show you exactly how I've been using this in my own training sessions and why I think it's such a powerful tool for learning pickleball. So here's a real example. Let's say I'm coaching a group at one of my VIP intensives. Instead of just explaining court positioning, I can now draw out different formations, show how to adjust to different opponents, and even replay key moments from a match. If I'm working with an individual client, I can break down their technique by importing a video of their strokes, annotating directly on the screen, and showing them exactly where they need to make adjustments. And for you watching this video, this has also made creating more in-depth YouTube content so much easier as well. So again, why is this better than just using a regular whiteboard or a tablet? Well, being able to draw directly on the board makes it so much easier to illustrate complex strategies in real time. I can pull up training videos, share strategy breakdowns, and even work with remote clients during virtual lessons. This is huge. I can replay drills, pause a key moment, and literally circle the exact moment that needs to change for my clients. There's no lag, the pen tool feels very natural, and everything updates instantly, no clunky tech getting in the way. Now obviously, I use this for high-level coaching, but I think it could be very useful for a lot of different people. If you're a coach in any field, this is a no-brainer. So final thoughts. Is the vibeboard S1 worth it? For me, 100% yes. This has made coaching more effective and my content more engaging and my in-person training more dynamic. It's an investment, but if you're serious about helping others improve, it's absolutely worth checking out.